Come inside the bush, like walking place. This place. Nice place. Yeah, nature, like in the nature again. Yeah. Trying to locate some stuff here. So we don't have the stuff I'm looking for here. So just here, like this is where I do come to work most cases. Okay, do call me here often. Like for the past 4 months now. Like I've been working here. I do come here, spend like half of a month here. Okay. So like 2 months inside the bush here. So the nature of my job made me to be here. Okay, so sometimes you got to do something for achieve what you want to achieve in life. Okay, like what you love to do. Okay, it's not something that I really love to do most cases. Like sometimes I just want to be in the town, in the city, and do some other stuff. Okay, right now in the bush here it's really affecting me. There's no signal at all. There's no network signal, right? So there's something like that, and I have other thing like I want to do workout with my weights, go out with my friend, play basketball. I can't really do that here right now, but you know what? I'm still doing the job, right? Because this is where I'm sustaining myself. This is where I'm getting money to put food on my table, like pay my bills and all of that. Okay, and at the same time working towards saving money and start doing what I love to do. Okay, staying out of bush. Okay, this is the only way I have to do something to keep myself going, right? Okay, sometimes you just have to do something that you don't like. Okay, just because you want to do something you love to do, right? Okay, that's the sacrifice now for a better life. Okay, for something you love to do in the nearest future. Okay, even though you don't like it, as long as it's healthy and it's legal, try and sacrifice that period for something better, right? Okay, that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, because I don't really like it. Okay, because it affecting me big time though, affecting me big time, bro. Okay, so but I have to do it at the same time. I'm like trying to like look for the good side of it. Okay, like coming here, look at nature. Though I love nature big time, bro. I love it. Okay, but when it's becoming too much, I want to go out. It's time for me to go. I can't really go because I just have to finish what I'm doing here. Okay, this is where it's becoming a problem. You understand? So that is it. Okay, but for now, I have to just like it, right? I have to fall in love with it. Just enjoy the moment, right? So that is just life. Okay, so whatever you do, enjoy the moments. Okay, so see, for now, I don't have much doing. Okay, I'm just trying to locate some other goods I need to buy. Okay, if I can get some here, then that is it. If I can, I still go to another place. I check if I can get. Okay, at the same time, just roaming about in the bush, looking at nature, getting some white fruits, and eat out of it, fruits, banana, all of that. Okay, you have them all over here. So that is it. So just enjoy the moment for the meantime. Okay. So love the place too. I love the place big time, bro. See, okay, I'm trying to locate this kind of big water here. So trying to locate it. Hmm. This place is kind of quiet. Okay. Okay, this is what I buy. I saw one here now. There's one here. But though it's not much. It's not much at all. It's not much at all. So let me just check it out. Let me check it out. Not much. Not much. Oh no. Not that much. Not that much. Is it? That is it. This. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. It's not much. Okay. Let's go. Yep, trying to like go to the places. You can see. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we have some houses hot like go building here. See this place like Aleba. Alema. Yes, sir. I could check it. Yes, sir. Papa, I want to rice and huh? This is bay. I bay. Okay, okay. Alema. Alessa. We will be. Eh? I want to be a lake for. If I check the way. Okay, okay, okay. I want to just check this place. I want to look here. I never come here before. It's a nice place. Okay, I have a big church here, a big building here. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay, let's see. I have to go. They say I can't really get the thing here, so I have to go back. Go back and check out the place. Like, sunny going, so like you have big stream around this place, so I'm gonna check it out now. Okay, so let's see. It's gonna be. Hold on, bros. Yes, sir. Yes, now this road leads to that water side. Okay, thank you. Bro, how are you? Hmm? Hmm? Go okay. Okay, so let's try to locate the place. Okay, there's one big river here. I want to see it. Okay. Sometime I came over to this place. I saw it from afar, but it was getting late. I couldn't go there. Just wanna check this out. Okay, getting close to the place. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. That is it. Okay, it's here now. We're here. Oh man. Okay, that is it. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, nice. Close, close, close. Wow, nice place, nice place. The water is flowing big time, bro. It's flowing big time. Whoa, man. Nice. Nice, beautiful. It's flowing big time, man. They're around these. See this place? There's a place, so I'm trying to get water to cool off my body. Okay, let me just do something to cool my body. I want to pour some on my head to cool my body a little bit. Okay, the temperature is high already. Hold on. That's gonna be slippery. Okay, I gotta be careful. to like pour on my body a little bit before I go. Let's see. I want to swim a little bit. So I can swim. Okay, let's go on the swim. Let's see if I can swim. Okay. I'm trying to pull my camera. Okay. It's good. I'm scared of the water big time, bro. That's enough. I gotta go. Just wanna cool off, okay? Yes, come on. Yeah, just wanna cool off. Feeling a little bit chilled now, so yeah. I'll put on my clothes. Go. Very nice. Going fishing now. Going fish. Okay. Like man, we done swimming. I'm feeling a little bit chilled now. Okay. I'm feeling sweaty. Okay. I just want to cool off. Okay. So done. I'm scared of the water. The weather is kind of rough and it's kind of dark. It will be musky. Can't see it through. Okay, so I'm scared. I don't want to put myself inside here, and I'm just the only one here. So we don't attempt something like that. Okay, so going home now. Okay, so going back to the camp where I will spend my night. Okay, going now. Yeah, thank you. This is just life here. Okay, see small houses, little houses. Okay, yeah, this is where I came to get something to eat yesterday. I can remember the place we came to get something to eat. Okay, so going back now to my base. So that is it. Whatever it is, enjoy the ride. Okay, I might not like it for now, just enjoy the ride. In the meantime, when it's time, you can move on to something else, something better, something that you love to do so much. Okay, but for now, this is the only thing you have to sustain yourself, to save up, to get a better life for yourself. As long as legal, as long as safe and healthy, for your own health is safe. Okay, then go ahead. Continue doing it. For the meantime, you just have to plan yourself. Don't squander your money. Put your money into places that you know is literally going to help you achieve your goals. Okay, so try to invest. So when it's time for you, you can quit that job. Quit the job right now and move on to something more interesting, more fun, more fulfilling. Okay, so that is it. That is what I'm working towards too. Okay, this life of just like I have to be in the bush to put food on my table, to pay my bills. I'm just trying my possible best now. Like stop all of that. Okay, yes, higher this year. Okay, at most this year I'm gonna like try my possible best and get a better life. Okay, than this. Okay, do something that I love to do. Okay, so that's what I'm working towards. Right. Thank you. So just enjoy the ride. For the meantime, when it's time, you go do something that you loved, that you feel fulfilled. Okay, so I love nature too. Enjoying unpolluted air. Okay, at the same time I'm eating most of natural based food. Okay, here or African local food here. Okay, so that is what you have. That's what you usually have access to here. Okay, so thank you guys. I gotta go now. See you. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best in life. Okay, the best is yet to come. As long as you don't give up, as long as you keep pushing, we're gonna achieve our goal in life. We're gonna be great in life. Okay, all the best. Peace, happiness unto you. Good health unto you. Okay, stay out of trouble. Okay, bye bye.